Your windows play a major role in the comfort, efficiency, and appearance of your Sugarland home. But like any part of your property, they wear down over time. Whether you're dealing with Texas heat, seasonal storms, or everyday use, your windows may eventually need more than simple maintenance. They may need full replacement. Knowing the signs early can save you money, improve your home's efficiency, and boost curb appeal. Here are the top indicators it's time to consider replacement windows for your Sugarland home. Your energy bills are rising. Sugarland summers can be relentlessly hot, and inefficient windows make your air conditioner work overtime. If you've noticed your cooling or heating bills creeping up, your windows may be to blame. Older windows often lose their insulating ability as seals break down and frames weaken. New energy-efficient windows help keep cool air inside during the summer and warm air in during the winter, lowering your monthly utility costs. You feel drafts or hot spots? Do certain rooms feel warmer than others? Does a cool breeze sneak in even when your windows are shut? Drafts and temperature inconsistencies are clear signs your windows aren't sealing properly. Whether due to warping, damaged weather stripping, or aging frames, drafts make your HVAC system work harder and reduce indoor comfort. Replacement windows offer a tighter, more reliable seal that keeps your home consistently comfortable. Your windows are difficult to open or close. Windows should operate smoothly. If you find yourself struggling to slide or lift a window, the frame may be warped, the hardware may be damaged, or the window may be painted shut. Sticking windows are more than an inconvenience, they're a safety issue. In an emergency, windows must open quickly and easily. New, high-quality replacement windows restore ease of use and improve ventilation. You see condensation between window panes. Moisture trapped between panes typically means the window's seal has failed. When this happens, the insulating gas escapes, and your window becomes far less energy efficient. Foggy or hazy glass is a common problem in older double-pane windows and is a clear sign it's time to replace them. Newer windows offer advanced insulation technologies that help prevent this issue and keep your home more comfortable year-round. Outside noise seems louder. If street noise, traffic, or neighbors seem louder than before, your windows may no longer be providing proper sound insulation. As windows age, their seals weaken, and the glass becomes less effective at blocking noise. Modern replacement windows are designed with improved acoustic performance, helping create a quieter, more peaceful indoor environment. Visible damage or decaying frames, rotting wood, cracking, warping, or noticeable decay are obvious signs that your windows need attention. The humidity and occasional storms in Sugarland can take a toll on window frames. Damaged frames not only reduce efficiency, they can also lead to leaks, mold growth, and costly structural problems. Installing replacement windows prevents these issues and restores the beauty and durability of your home. Your home looks outdated. Windows have a major impact on curb appeal. Faded frames, old-fashioned styles, or damaged hardware can make an otherwise attractive home look worn down. Replacement windows offer a chance to modernize your home's look, improve natural lighting, and increase resale value. With updated styles, materials, and finishes, your home can look refreshed and more inviting. Upgrade your Sugarland home with confidence. If you're noticing one or more of these signs, it may be the perfect time to upgrade your windows. Replacement windows can transform the comfort, efficiency, and style of your home while providing long-term savings on energy costs. Whether you're dealing with drafty rooms, foggy glass, or rising energy bills, new windows can make a significant difference in your everyday living.